Hey guys, Nico from RB Mods here. I'm gonna just be unpacking a mechanical gaming keyboard from Roccat this time. It's the Ryos MK. Has a bunch of features, cherry mix switches, macros, anti-ghosting, and whatnot. I don't know much about this keyboard at this point. I just recently got it and I'm hoping to look at this within a couple of days, so I should have a review up in a couple of days on the site. Let's see what's on the inside. Nice box. Keyboard. At first glance I can tell you it's a pretty big keyboard. Also have a quick installation guide, no drivers. Most likely you'll have to pick those up from the website so to get the most recent drivers or software. Roccat actually makes very nice software for their gaming gadgets. I'm always surprised on how good it is, and I wish that most companies would follow their lead on this and make better software, easier software to use. I would say Roccat and Razer probably make the nicer ones. A bunch of stickers on top here. I guess it's to protect it. Take those off. Have a non-sleeved cord, which is different. Not in a bad way, I'm just saying. I've seen sleeve cables for a long time. We have stands to raise the keyboard. It's a non-detachable cable. We have pads all over to prevent from slipping. I saw that we lost zoom for a bit. We have a nice armrest stand here, the Roccat logo. We have a T1, T2, T3 buttons here. We have the macro buttons on the left. Some people don't like that, but all you have to do is remove the keycaps and you won't use them on accident. We see that there's a nice blue board behind here. I wonder if it's Cherry MX blue. It's actually black switches I have on this to just put a nice little blue background back plate in the back there. Fairly silent. Black is pretty silent. You don't get the clicky feeling or clicky sound like you have with the red and blue MX switches. But blue works for both gaming and for typing pretty good, so I'm really looking forward to this. Otherwise we have normal standard arrow keys, numpad on the side, and multimedia keys on top here. No USB ports, nothing special here, so anyways, looking forward to reviewing this. I should have a review up within a couple of days, and there's the official RB Mods cat that you've seen a few times in the reviews in the past. Thank you for watching.